beautiful souls, welcome to my channel. I'm Shavita, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Today we're going to do a nice little meditation to honor our bodies, to love ourselves physically, mentally and spiritually. And let's begin by just letting go of some tension in our upper body. Let's just roll our shoulders back. And then roll our shoulders forward. Lift the hands up, grab hold of the elbows, bring the hands over your body, keeping both buttocks on the mat, and then change sides. Inhale, lift the hands up, opposite hand, opposite knee. Inhale, lift, exhale, rotate. Inhale, lift, exhale, rotate. Bring the hands back up, change sides. Inhale, lift, exhale, rotate. Inhale, lift, exhale, rotate. Coming back into a comfortable sitting position, let's just take our head from side to side, letting go of any tensions we may be holding on to. And then little half circles upwards. And then come back to center. Now you can either sit comfortably in a cross-legged position in a chair or lie down on a mat. And let's just connect to our breath, our prana, life force. We take our first breath when we come into this world, and we take our last breath as we leave this world. And often we forget to breathe consciously with awareness in between. So this is our opportunity to connect to the breath, your life force. Exhaling for the count of 3, 2, 1, pausing. Inhaling for the count of 3, 2, 1, pausing. Exhaling, 3, 2, 1, pause. Inhaling, 3, 2, 1, pause. And just follow your breath moving through your body. Conscious breathing, and exaggerate the breath just a little bit and add that magic pause at the end of every inhale and every exhale. Really focusing on your body, really focusing on the breath. The breath is a great tool to bring you back into the present moment. It's a great tool to help relax you. So just focus on your breath moving through your body. Nothing else to think about but your breath. Take your breath, take your attention to your forehead. You're relaxing your forehead, you're relaxing your forehead. Relax your cheeks, relax your cheeks. You're relaxing your jaw, your tongue, your lips, all relaxed. Take your breath, take your attention to the back of your neck. You're relaxing the back of your neck. Relax your shoulders, relax your shoulders. Let them melt down onto the mat or away from your ears. Your biceps, triceps are relaxed. Your forearms are relaxed. Relax your thumbs, relax your thumbs. Relax the second finger. You're relaxing the second finger. You're relaxing the third finger. You're relaxing the third finger. You're relaxing the fourth finger. You're relaxing the fourth finger. You're relaxing the little finger. You're relaxing the little finger. Take a big breath into your chest. You're relaxing your chest. You're relaxing your chest. Take your breath, take your attention to your upper back. You're relaxing your upper back. You're relaxing your upper back. Take a big breath into your belly. Relax your belly. Relax your belly. Your lower back's relaxed. Your lower back's relaxed. Take a big breath into your hips. You're relaxing your hips. You're relaxing your hips. The front of your thighs are relaxed. The front of your thighs are relaxed. The back of your thighs are relaxed. The back of your thighs are relaxed. The front of your knees are relaxed. The front of your knees are relaxed. The back of your knees are relaxed. The back of your knees are relaxed. Relax your shins, relax your shins. Relax your calves, relax your calves. Relax your ankles, relax your ankles. Relax your big toe. You're relaxing the second toe. You're relaxing the third toe. You're relaxing the fourth toe. You're relaxing the little pinky. Your whole body is nice and relaxed. And you're just following your breath, moving through your body. Nothing else to think about but your breath. And if thoughts come into your mind, just acknowledge them and let them pass through. And while you're lying there, I'll just share something with you. Love your body. Show your body how much you appreciate and respect it. Your body has been criticized, judged, and rejected by you for years. It will respond quickly to love and energy. You will feel lighter and more energized. You will start looking more beautiful. Lines in your face will relax. You will glow with strength and health. You will be amazed at the result of loving your body. I appreciate, love, and respect my body. And just slowly wiggling your toes, wiggling your fingers, turning your head left to right. And then just gently coming back into the room, either rolling over onto your mat or gently opening your eyes. Have a beautiful day, everybody. I appreciate you sharing this time with me. I look forward to seeing you next time, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.